Guys, it is hard, it is sad to say that the Asian Institute of Management will soon be gone because the Ayalas will be taking over the property. So ito lang, mauna yung malalaman dito. So ito na yung green belt na babaguhin. So yung prime property ng Asian Institute of Management is merong plano ang Ayala Land dyan kasi it's prime. So ang question is, anong mangyayari doon sa infrastructure built by the Lopezes? Kasi ang Asian Institute of Management is owned by a lot of entities.
Tsaka ano na sila ngayon?
Oo. So yan. So ito naman yung view. Kikita nyo yung Makati Diamond Residences. So ito yung Greenbelt area. So this is Greenbelt 3. Ito na yung pinakasikat ngayon sa Makati. Kasi ang ganda-ganda ng building, ang structure. Tingnan natin ano yung mga establishments. So, by the way, the time is almost 11 PM. So, wala nang masyadong tao. So Bollywood, it is an Indian restaurant.
And they're really upgrading the place.
So dito ang time zone. So mahilig ng games.